बताइए शादी के बारे में।
तो शादी हुई, मतलब बिकॉज आई नेवर ग्रू अप इन दिल्ली and Punjabis, and my father was posted in Bihar for most of my childhood. Then I studied in Pilani. फिर गोवा में थे, तब वहाँ बॉम्बे यूनिवर्सिटी होता था, तो मैं तो बॉम्बे यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए बॉम्बे भी नहीं आई। मैंने कहा गोवा में ही रह के, गोवा से अच्छी जगह कहाँ हो सकती है। तो मैंने वहाँ पे अपनी ग्रेजुएशन की, देन पुणे में पोस्ट ग्रेड किया, वर्कड इन बॉम्बे फॉर 2 years, एंड देन आफ्टर मैरिज सेटल्ड इन दिल्ली। तो जब आप बाहर रहते हैं तो पेरेंट्स पंजाबी लड़का कैसे ढूंढें? आई मीन, इफ आई मेट somebody, फॉर एग्जांपल माय सिस्टर हु इज ओल्डर देन मी had a love marriage. I didn't come across anybody, and then arranged होगी तो फिर उस दौर में 35 साल पहले फिर आप अपनी कम्युनिटी में ही ढूंढते हो। तो
As in 1990 you got married?
91
91. Gotcha.
got engaged in 1990 and got married in 91
Wow.
and had a baby in 10 months.
Oh wow. Wow.
Yeah. My first anniversary, my older son was cutting the cake with us. How's that?
Wow. ये जो पॉलीगैमी पॉलीएमरी की
क्या क्या ये क्या होता है?
पॉलीगैमी पॉलीएमरी
पॉलीएमरी क्या होता है?
like multiple partners
अच्छा,
after marriage.
थोड़ा सिक है यार। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि रिलेशनशिप्स मल्टीपल नहीं हो सकते जब रोमांटिक है। इट हैज टू बी
One person based commitment.
one person. If it's not working, then break it off, then move on. That's all right as far as I'm concerned.
It's
But
fairly common in the film industry.
होता होगा, ये हाई सोसाइटी में सब
High
जगह
society.
होता है। हाँ,
I wonder if it's okay for one's mental health, you know?
depends on how involved you are ना।
Maybe if there's like clarity between the two partners or something like that.
ऐसी कोई क्लैरिटी मुझे नहीं लगता कभी वर्क कर सकती है, बिकॉज मैरिज इज अ वेरी वेरी क्लोज रिलेशनशिप, and there is a lot of, the whole thing about marriage is commitment. You are if every day I'm looking over my back and just trying to figure out what my husband or partner is doing, it's not healthy at all. So like I said, if it works, great. If it doesn't work, then break it and move on, because at least people in today's world have that option. हमारे ज़माने में तो बहुत stigma attached होता था।
Do you see divorces around you in your friend circle?
Lots.
So why does it happen?
It happens because and it happens in both spheres. Arranged marriages हमारे ज़माने में हुआ करती थी, just for your
Hey, I'm
information.
open to arranged marriage.
You are
Yeah,
now?
if you find the right person.
Yeah, that's but how do you judge? So वही है कि marriage is also a gamble. It has always been said कि it works. Two people, they can have chemistry, it can work, and sometimes it just doesn't work and it becomes a living hell for both sides. So everything depends on the specific nature of every relationship and how it works for those two people. And lots of marriages work all through. Lots of marriages break up in between, and lots of marriages continue because of the kids, which is also
Wow.
something that happens in our age group, because um, it is a feeling that kids from broken homes do miss out on a stability factor in their lives. So a lot of marriages continue, and that's where your definitions of polygamy or whatever, मतलब
My
शादी,
definitions.
मतलब वो जो तुम कह रहे हो ना, वो polyandry and polygamy and whatever, multiple partners हो सकते हैं उन situations पे, but does it really work? Is it better than sticking together for the sake of children? And then it's a very personal experience for everybody. Difficult to make a generalization about it.
What's the most romantic thing a boy can do for a girl?
Depends on what age group are we talking about.
Your age group.
My age group, just enjoy music, have a drink, just chat. If you are in a beachy resort, look over the sea. That can be just romance, and this thing. And sometimes not even chatting, just
Hmm.
being with each other, silently doing your own thing, but being in that space and being content, and that you actually feel the calm washing over you. Okay, you're in your very secure, calm, loved space. That can be very
Do
romantic.
looks matter?
Of course they matter.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Looks matter for girls.
of course.
Yeah.
It's not the only thing that matters, but यार नैन सुख भी कोई चीज है. You look at a good looking guy तो अच्छा लगता है. अब guy will look at a good looking girl, अच्छा लगता है.